Let's get 4 extra free deals this year, guaranteed. I am telling you, everybody that implements the strategies that I show you in this video gets a minimum of 4 extra deals this year. This is just a preview of what we have in the Wholesaling Inc. mentorship library. If you're interested in that, there'll be a link somewhere here. Definitely check that out. But here you go. Implement this and go get your free deals. We're gonna get 4 free deals in the next 12 months in this video, guaranteed. But it's gonna take some courage, and I'll explain why. There's 3 steps to this. The first step is this. I need you to go into your personal Facebook account. Personal Facebook account, not a business account. This has to be personal, okay? And then I want you to go into the groups section of Facebook, and I want you to search, and I want you to find all the community groups in the market that you are serving. You can put real estate groups, you can just do community groups, it does not matter, but I want you to make friends with the people in those groups. I want you to click into those groups, and we're gonna edit this so that you see exactly where to go here. But I want you to go into these groups, and I want you to start friend requesting as many people as possible until you have 5,000 Facebook friends. Okay, 5,000 Facebook friends. I want you to get it up as fast as possible. It's gonna take some time. Facebook doesn't allow us to just get 5,000 in one day. They make you get like 50 or 100 requests at a time. That's fine. It'll start snowballing because people will start friend requesting you when you become friends with their friends, and it starts, speeding up the process. But the whole point of this is get 5,000 Facebook friends in the markets that you work in. Step number 2, we're taking it to the next level here. This is where the courage comes in. This is where I need you to get loud on a daily basis, not on a semi-daily basis, on a every single day basis, okay? I need you to post every single day to your stories. We'll make it very clear in the editing of this video that it's not a post, it is on your stories. Stories last 24 hours. Post to your stories every single day a picture, it doesn't matter what it is, a video or just text, I don't care. And I want you to post, I buy houses cash, send me your deals. I buy houses cash, send me your deals. You do that every single day, Monday through Sunday, not Monday through Friday, not Saturday and Sunday, Monday through every day. Make it part of your habit, make it part of your routine. It'll take you 1 to 1.5 minutes to do this, to post to your stories exactly that. I buy houses cash, send me your deals. You can get as creative as you want with whatever those posts are, whether they're just static pictures or video or whatever it is, but you every single day. And then get 5,000 people, post every single day. And then the third part, probably the most crucial part of this, or where the real magic happens, when people send you messages, they're called DMs, direct messages, for all us old people. The kids know. When they send us direct messages, you got to respond fast. Make sure the notifications are on your phone, and you see when somebody's responding to your post, and they start sending, well, what are you looking for? Hey, I've got a deal right now. What are you looking for? I'm looking for original condition or properties that need significant rehab. That's your response. If they ask you about what your buy box is, or maybe they just maybe they're just curious and they want to lend you money. Maybe they want to joint venture with you. Maybe they want to partner up with you. Maybe they're just excited about real estate as well, and they want to have a conversation or a cup of coffee with you. This is great. This works every time, guys. Every time. If you get loud and you say that you buy houses cash, people will respond, and people will start sending you opportunities. It is undefeated. You can do this, but you got to be really brave, and you got to do it every single day. Every single day, post, I buy houses cash, send me your deals. And get your friends up to 5,000. Respond fast to those messages, and you will do an extra 4 deals. If the average deal size in smaller markets is $15,000, imagine what this is going to do in bigger markets. But even if you're in a smaller market, that's $60,000. It's probably $60,000 to $120,000 right there that'll land in your lap with you posting every single day, I buy houses cash, send me your deals. It will work. You got to believe me. You got to have faith in this, and you got to be loud. I don't care if people say, oh, what are you talking about? You don't have the cash to do it. Of course you do. It's called transactional funding. It's called cash buyer database. We have all the buyers for you. Any deal that you want, we got you covered. No problem. So go out there confidently. I don't care if people think that they have a certain label of you, that this might, shake them, because they're like, wait a second. I thought that they were in the military. I thought that they were a nurse. I thought that they were a teacher. I thought that they were a truck driver. It does not matter. None of that matters. Get loud. You are a real estate entrepreneur. So get loud about it. Have a lot of fun with this. Have a lot of enthusiasm. Post every single day and watch what happens. It will work. Do it.